You can see on a check here. It's probably about 7 or 8 inches. We'll go a little bit bigger still. So in the meantime, I've got my dough working. I've got my peel, my wooden peel. I like to dust this with just a little bit of flour and semolina flour. And those are my ball bearings that I place my dough on top of. So I'm gonna put my peel aside. I've got it ready. So my dough's ready, I kind of place it on top. Just stretch it. You see, it looks pretty cool, right? Now I'll take my dough, my peel, place it right on top. Awesome. It's probably about a 10-inch pizza right now. Nice size. I like to pinch my edges just a little bit. Again, each time I do this, when I pinch my edges, I'm getting a little texture on that crust, right? I think it's a little unique. You don't have to do it that way, just a nice change of pace, right? So there is my dough. Before I do any sauce, before I do any cheese, I want to give it to make sure it's sliding. Make sure my bearings underneath are still sliding this dough back and forth, and it is. This is the time to fix it. If I have an error, something getting stuck, pick up the corner that gets stuck, slide a little flour underneath it, and place it back, boom, right? And now I know it's gonna slide.